back here on Kent's Newport. Get everything ready to come off here. If you remember, we had more than a little issue with this carb. After rebuilding it, we found some porosity. No es bueno, but that's okay. So we got ourselves a reman. So we're gonna swap these babies out. Go from there. All right, we've got our replacement carb all mounted up. Looking real good. Gonna crank this baby, get some fuel up in there. Gear it off. All right, we've got her running. She's not the happiest, but she's running. So we're gonna let her get up to temp here, and then we're gonna check our timing. Check our timing, like I said. Idle mixture. Go for a test drive. Alright, we're running good. We're timed. Nice. Alright, taking Mildred out. Air's on. It's like 100 million degrees outside. Feels good. Not missing a beat today. I like it. Mildred is splendid. Mildred's a dream. Air is on. She's running nice. She's going a little quick. She's got plenty of pep and oomph.